Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you some new features of iOS 16. So today's video is going to be very interesting. Before we start the video, please subscribe our channel for the latest tech updates. Now let's get started. Apple has updated the Nearby Interaction framework on iOS 16 to integrate the UWB ultra-wideband enabling U1 chip with ARKit. The software suite means to enable mesmeric experiences. iOS 16 is launched to allow the user to delete an additional list of preloaded apps, including Clock, Find My iPhone, and Health. This feature is not included in any iOS version. Apple has first combined the ARKit with the U1 chip to enable the precision finding feature on AirTags. However, the iOS 16 is open the same level of experience for developers. iOS 16 allows developers to enable their apps to interlink with stationary devices and overlay information on the basis of precise location. These Nearby Interaction framework are experienced to guide the user to a specific nearby object such as misplaced item, objects of interest, or an object that the user wants to interact with. Analyst Ming Chi Kuo has predicted the unveil of the headset at a media event in January, and the headset is speculated to debut sometime in 2023. No official details about the headset has revealed from Apple, though some trademarks suggesting the development of its operating system that would be called Reality OS surfaced in the recent past. Apple has also updated the ARKit in iOS 16 with support of 4K HDR video and an upgraded room interior scanning. In addition to the updated Nearby Interaction framework and ARKit, Apple has allowed their users to delete the list of pre-installed apps since the release of iOS 10 in 2016. Developers have the ability to uninstall the 3 apps from both iOS 16 and iPadOS 16, but it is pointing out that by uninstalling these apps, some system functionality may be lost. However, user can reinstall apps from Find My Apps, which was uninstalled. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. If you like the video, let us know in the comment box. We hope to see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.